everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to make a report in Wrike. So let's get started. The first step you need to take is to access the report section. How do you do this? Navigate to the report section in your Wrike workspace. You can usually find it in the left hand sidebar. So once you found it, the next thing you're going to do is click the plus button next to once you click plus button in the report section, it will help you to create a new report. Once you've done that, select a template. That's right, because Wrike offers you various pre-built templates for project progress, team utilization, and overdue tasks. So choose the one you want. After that, you might need more specific data. So if you need more specific data, choose custom reports. You don't want to just select a template. You want one that has more specific data. So if you are okay with the template, simply just select the template. If you don't want the template, click on create a custom report for custom reports. As simple as that. So after choosing your report type, next step you're going to take, which is the fourth step, is to configure report settings. Let me summarize. From the beginning, the first step was to access the report section. Second step was to create a new report. Third step was to choose report type. And now we're going to the fourth step, which is to configure report settings. Now there are ways you can do this. The first way is through data source. You see, you need to select the project or projects, folder or folders, or space or spaces you want to include in the report. That's the data source. Next, you have a data type. You have to choose what you want to report on. It could be the projects, the tasks, or the time entries. Next, you need to apply filters to narrow down the data. For example, due date, assigning, or status. These are examples of filters you can use to narrow down the data. Next, layout. Select the layout for your report. Do you want to use a table or do you want to use a chart? You decide. You can even use both. Moving on, grouping. You have to group the data by specific criteria, e.g., assignee, projects, and status. So once you're through with configuring the report settings, the next thing you need to do is customize and save, which is the fifth step. Now, how do you do this? Adjust the report settings to meet your specific needs. Give the report a descriptive name and click create to save the report. And once you're through with this, you can view it and share it. How? Access the report from the report section, view the report data in the chosen format, and share the report with other team members or stakeholders as needed. Now, there are some things you need to consider. I call them key considerations. Number one, as the first key consideration, is report templates. You can utilize pre-built templates to quickly generate common reports. And data accuracy is the second consideration. Ensure the data included in the report is accurate and up to date. Next, regular updates. You see, you need to regularly review and update your reports to ensure they provide the most current and relevant information. That's it. By following the steps, you can effectively create and utilize reports within Wrike to gain valuable insights into project progress, team performances, and other key metrics. Please note that specific steps and options may vary slightly depending on your Wrike plan and the current version of the Wrike interface you're using. So always refer to the official Wrike Help Center for the most up-to-date and accurate information. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.